In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a smooth animation when you hover a button in Webflow. So first, of course, open up your website in webflow.com. So here, if you don't have an existing button in your design, all you have to do is click on Add Elements. And here, simply drag the button element or div block to get started. And now, once a button is added to your website, click on it. Then, next, in the Style panel in the right corner, scroll down to Transitions section. You can find it under Effects. And here, of course, start adding transitions by pressing the Add button and choose the properties you want to animate. Usually, things like margin, padding, background color, and a lot more. And for the duration, make sure that you set it to around 200 to 300 milliseconds for a natural feel. And now change the style. Maybe make the background darker, or scale the button slightly, or add a shadow. And because you added a transition earlier, Webflow will automatically animate between the two states, creating a smooth hover effect. And here's a pro tip. Instead of changing layout properties like margin or width, animate transform and opacity whenever possible, or they're smoother and perform better. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!